Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and never miss a video. So my first tip is practice drawing freehand shapes. The examples are circle, small size and big size circles. Draw it freehand. Don't use any geometrical tools here. Just scribble around from up and down, left to right, and you will get what you want. Within 3 to 4 months, you will know the results. To improve your drawing skills, daily practice these methods will certainly improve your drawing skills and beauty of your art. I'm trying some straight lines here, vertical and horizontal, drawing a cube and a cylinder. Let's go more. My second tip will be, as you improve your drawing shapes, try to draw animals, birds, etc. with the help of shapes. Drawing with shape is one of the best methods in art. So keep on practicing and improve your drawing. I'm trying to make a bottle here, a poster color bottle, with the help of shapes. Let's see how it gets finished. Use light lines to draw. Now let's try a apple. Draw a circle first. Drawing some more things with the help of shapes. Whenever you draw, try to use shapes to draw it will make your drawing more proportionate. Using the shapes in right way can make your drawing look very easy. Whenever you draw, try to find out shapes in the drawing, and that will help you in drawing your drawing better. Keep on practicing this types of drawing. By doing this, you can do your drawing better and easy. I'm trying to draw a plane. I'm using a half to the 3/4 of an oval here. This trick is very beneficial for the beginners who are just starting their drawings. My third and last tip will be scribble for more advanced sketching. Let your pencil flow on the paper. Draw lines with some force and curved lines more curvy. By practicing, you will get into this. Let's draw a horse. I've drawn two circles and I joined them with a line. Now drawing legs. The horse position is not a profile one, it's a little bit 3/4. See, whenever you draw it light first, then gradually I think the back leg is little bit out of proportion. So fixing it, when you draw, after drawing, see this, there is a proportion mistake or not. Is everything right in the right place? It is unwanted lines. Here I am trying to draw a head of dragon with the help of shapes and scribbling method. I will just scribble around to make the forms perfect first. I draw very light, that's why my lines are not perfectly visible. Hope you understand this. I will keep on doing the dark lines as I go ahead. So this is a finished work of the dragon. If you like my art, do subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.